Ever met someone learning guitar, coding, psychology, and a new language all at once? At first, it looks impressive, but psychology has a name for this. It's called the jack-of-all-trades pattern. And it's not about ambition. These people aren't lazy. They're not scattered. Their brain is literally addicted to novelty. Every new skill triggers a dopamine hit. It feels exciting, urgent, alive. But the second it stops feeling new, their brain quietly moves to the next shiny thing. 10 skills started, 0 mastered. Not from lack of effort, from the way their mind is wired. And here's what's wild. There's a deeper psychological reason behind why this happens, and most people never figure it out. It's called the novelty-seeking loop. Your brain's reward system isn't built to celebrate mastery. It's built to celebrate progress. The first week of anything feels like progress. Fast wins, quick dopamine, easy motivation. But mastery? Mastery is slow. It's repetitive. It's boring, on purpose. And a novelty-addicted brain treats boring as a signal to leave. Not because you're weak, because boredom to your brain feels like danger, like stagnation. So it panics, and it runs, straight into another shiny new skill. Here's the part most people miss. This isn't a character flaw. It's a chemical pattern, and chemical patterns can be rewired. The people who eventually master something, they didn't lose interest in new things. They just learned to sit through the boring middle part, the part with no dopamine, no applause, no new skill high. That's the part that actually builds mastery. So next time you feel that urge to quit and start something new, ask yourself, am I bored? Or am I just about to get good? If this hit home, you're probably a jack of all trades yourself. Follow for more real psychology, explained simply.